So I'm finished with the restoration of this 1983 R80ST. So I thought I'd do a little walk around and show you the details. Now I laced the wheels with stainless steel spokes. First time I'd ever done that. And I rebuilt the front brake caliper and rebuilt the forks and had the sliders vapor blasted. So it's looking pretty nice. And you can see the paint job on the front fender. Now I also had the front engine cover vapor blasted, and that came out nice, and the frame's been powder coated, and I put a brand new exhaust system on the bike and cleaned up and repainted the valve covers and changed out the piston rings and cleaned up the inside of the engine, and I had the heads rebuilt. You can see the air cover I repainted, and this is the repainted gas tank with the new rondelle. Looks kind of nice. Now the side covers are redone and cleaned up the side stand and also powder coated the center stand. Now I got one pannier that I bought and a friend donated the other one, and I had some other folks I've known who've looked at my website that provided the luggage rack on the top there along with the pannier frames at no cost. Now I took the panniers off because I wanted to show you that the left side, the frame has a very large offset, so it'll fit around the muffler, and that's the heat shield in black, and the left side side cover with the decals. And this is the rear wheel. Again, I relaced that with stainless steel spokes. First time I tried to lace wheels. And I had the rear drive rebuilt and vapor blasted. So this is the other side of the rear drive. And the right side pannier frame fits much closer to the body. And I put on a new rear monoshock. And you can see the right side cover's been painted pinstriped and has the decal on it. Now I rebuilt the transmission and had to replace some gears that had rusted. And here's a look at the rebuilt carburetors that I refinished, and I repainted the Bing emblem on it because it was all faded. So that's all been done. And of course this is the crash bar that's an integral part of the ST. So this is the view from sitting on the seat and the gas tank, and I had the seat recovered. Nice job done by Bitchin' Stitchin' here in my neighborhood. And I replaced all the switch gear, and I replaced the entire electrical system, so the reliability should be quite high. And I also replaced the master cylinder and the controls there, and new mirrors. Now an upgrade that I made was to put the toaster tan top brace on because I really like how that improves the handling. So it took about 16 months to finish this rebuild, but it's now ready for sale with all the proceeds going to benefit the Motorcycle Relief Project. I rode the bike over to Euromoto Electrics to show it to Norm Schwab and the rest of the staff. I wanted to be sure they knew that their generosity had made this project possible.